'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave my...
It's a new day, Jackson. It's a new day and you're bugging. Like, you're bugging. You're bugging. You stay bugging. Good morning, sunshines. New day. Today's Tuesday. Can you get popsicle? Let me think about it. No. I have to go and get dinner. Today is Tuesday, so I was gonna wait and then go grocery shopping on Wednesday because I went grocery shopping. Why do I look so weird? Maybe I don't need it.
Yeah.
So I was gonna wait and then go grocery shopping on Wednesday, but today's Tuesday and I need food. Like, we don't have any food in our house, so I'm wearing this shorts. I don't know, I think it's too short, but I think it's okay. And then I'm wearing this shirt, and then it has the slit right here, and I don't know.
I like it.
I might have to change this outfit because I feel like it's too revealing. I don't know. I just slap it on because I have to. Oh, I'm always fighting with my clothes. I don't know why. I have to clean. That pile of laundry been sitting there for like a week. I have to get rid of it. And I promised my husband that I would clean the house, like especially our room. Guys, I'm back. I'm back in the... I just want to go to stop. Let me stop. Where's the child up there?
Georgia has your shoes on.
We don't know why that child is up there. We're going to pretend like he's not. I'm not holding the baby while I do that. So I just got back in the house. I went mid-week grocery shopping. I don't know. I went to go pick up dinner for today because I wasn't going to go grocery shopping until tomorrow. And technically, I'm not supposed to be up. The case of water, the whole case of water, I want it up here. Technically, I wasn't going to go grocery shopping until mid-Wednesday because payday is Friday. So I figured, whatever. But I went grocery shopping and I spent $60. Way more than I wanted to. I only wanted to spend $20, but... I don't know what happened. Something happened. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little grocery haul and show you guys what I got. Get it, JJ. Get it, Jason. All right. So without further ado, this is a quick little grocery haul. So I picked up 2 cases of this water. I usually get the 35 count. This is the 24 count. They're the same price. I don't know, but they didn't have any, so I got 2 cases of the 24. I got a gallon of this. I love sparkling water. I love sparkling water, and this was $1.99 on sale. It was originally $3.49, so I figured I would get it and try it out. And this is, I think this is the mandarin. Yeah, this is the mandarin orange. So hopefully I like it because I don't like orange. I like mandarin, but I don't like orange flavor anything. So that's that. And then I figured, why not start heating what? Figured I would start eating back to what I was saying. So I figured I would start eating a little bit healthier. So I picked up this spring mix, or I could just throw it in a smoothie and make smoothie. Who knows? Whatever. That's that. Then I went to go get tortilla because I was gonna make crispy tortilla wrap something, but they didn't have the tostito shells that I was looking for, the round ones. They didn't have that, so I don't know, that was a bust. So I got some salt because I'm out of salt, like completely out of salt. I got shredded lettuce because I figured I would someday make taco, so I got that because the crunchy wrap thing is a bust. I got some Mexican style cheese to go with the taco things. I got me some spaghetti squash to go with the theme of eating healthy. So I'm gonna bake this in the oven, half now and half another day. So yeah, that's that. This was $5.47. Got some ground beef here. This is 73.27. I got me some vegetable oil because I'm out. I got me some more kettle. These are the kettle bowls. There were 6. There is 6. There is 6 in here. So it was buy one get one free. This was $5.99. So yep, I got me a free one. Why is this different? Didn't that look different from that one?
What?
One is whatever. Pop-up bowl, I think. Oh, don't pay me no mind. So I got that. And next over here, I got some tuna to make tuna salad. And then to go with the salad, I got me some rice crackers. These are really good. So I got the sea salt and lime. I got the wasabi, and this is the sesame. And then I got some spaghetti because I want to make spaghetti one of these nights, and I'm out. I got some cheese dip to go with the taco thingy. So this is just a cheese dip. And last but not least, my favorite, gelato. I love gelato, and this is the peanut butter chocolate kind. This is so good. Kevin, if you've never tried this, go out and get you some and try it. It is really, 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 really good. And that's it.
Wait, I want to tell them about that. They have to guess who else wasn't added up.
Who?
Okay. If you've seen the side of the fridge, you have to guess who's not on it.
Who's not on the side of the fridge?
Yeah, they have to guess in the
Okay, so comment down below if you can figure out who's not on the side of our refrigerator.
Good.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you know if they guessed it. So anyways, that's about it for today. We ain't doing nothing. It's 5 o'clock. 4:30. I'm about to cook dinner. That's it. That's it. It's the end of the day. That's it. Okay. Good morning, guys. You're always just like ready, like at attention. So I just got back in the house from taking Jason to the dentist, and he has a massive cavity. So they're gonna do a root canal on him. So that is set for the 18th.
No.
Yes. Say good morning, guys. Good morning, sunshines.
Good afternoon.
Yes. Yeah. You coming for the camera? You coming for them? Say come. I'll give you guys a kiss. Come on, get a kiss. Oh, I'm gonna kiss you guys. Come on. Come on. No? They don't want a kiss? So yeah, he's scheduled for a root canal on the 18th, and I have to go and do Bible journal with them now. It's 12. Usually I do it in the early morning, but because they just got back from their grandparents' house because they were there for the weekend because we went to camp. So they just got home. So I'm gonna do Bible journal with them, and then finish up laundry. And if I didn't mention, today is Monday, and I don't have anything planned for them for during the day.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, baby? Look at Maddie. She's holding on and standing up. Say hi, guys. Maddie. Maddie. Whoops. Okay, I almost fall. Almost fall. Oh, where are you going?
That is open, but it's actually open.
Go have a seat and eat your food, please.
It's actually open.
What's actually open?
Jackson says, which one's open? But the one you see not open.
Why didn't you help him make lunch?
Huh?
Why didn't you help him to make lunch? The dude is only 5. I'm gonna go, guys. Ooh, she almost fall. You say I almost fall, mommy. Come on, man. You gotta pay attention here, man. You gotta pay attention. Put that camera down. Put that camera down, mommy. Put the camera down and pay attention. Okay, I put the camera down. Is that good enough for you, Maddie? Is that good enough, baby? You gonna go down? Oh, There she goes. There she goes. Where you going, man? Where you going, baby? Yes. Here she goes. Hey, ma'am, you can't stay there. I need to edit my video. Madison, you gotta go. Yes.
Why did you put the bun in there? Huh? Why did you put the bun in there?
Yeah, you can't stay there. You can't stay there.
It's going to be hot bun. Pop.
No. No. Give that to me. Here. Say hi. Say hello, sunshine. What are you doing? Say hello, sunshine.
Get down.
Honey.
Get down.
Honey, you have a piece of hair in your face. Say hi, sunshine.
Hi, sunshines.
Hi. There you go. You look so bright.
That smells disgusting. Wait, I need to take a
Wait, I gotta take a picture. What do you do that for? Why do you always gotta be...
Note. No, I'll close.
Put it on him, Jordan. Put it on him.
Stop. Get it off my head.
No, I don't remember.
So you guys won't believe this. You won't believe this. Guess who's in the kitchen?
Us.
So my husband, I told him I didn't feel like cooking dinner. Like, that's every day. Like, every day I don't feel like cooking dinner. So he said, this is what he said, you want to go cook dinner together? And I was like, sure, let's go cook some dinner. So we're having cheeseburger for dinner. I agreed to do the potato because, of course, you know, you just stick the potato in the oven and it's done. And he does the hard work, which is the protein, right, honey?
I'll do.
You're doing the protein, and I'm making sure the fan does not go off over there. And watching Baby Madison on the floor because
And Juju getting up.
before Madison came along, our floor has never seen this much action, and there's so much for her to get into.
Ow.
So somebody have to. Ooh, that's spicy. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm editing a video. Maddie, she's like down here watching her brother. Maddie, you want to do your chores too? They're doing their chores. Get that out of her hand, Jordan. So yeah, that's what's going on here at the Albornoz household tonight. Yeah, apple. Bit of an update on the loan thing. Still haven't heard anything from the loan officer. Like I said, he takes forever and a day to get back to us. The last I think I told you guys was that we were faxing off the authorization form for them to get information from my husband's work to verify his employment and also his overtime. Oh gosh. And to verify his overtime that he works, because he works a lot of overtime. So they want to he wants to verify that oh my gosh, why am I so dirty? He wants to verify that it's the overtime is guaranteed, and that the same amount of hours that he's working now, the same amount of overtime that he's working now will continue for the next few years, which of course it will, but we're not dependent on the overtime to get the loan, if that makes any sense. It's just to get a number, and I don't think we will be buying at the max of whatever we get, depending on where we buy. But that's it. So if anything, I will see you guys tomorrow. If not, then this is the end of the vlog.